So today I'm actually going to be demonstrating the Wim Hof method, which is a combination of breathing and the use of cold via either a cold shower or an ice bath or things like that. Through this breathing and cold technique, we are able to enter into those deeper parts of the bodily systems that were previously thought to be autonomic, which means we didn't think that we could control our limbic system through any type of intentional activity. And Wim Hof has shown that he's able to do this and do it in some very powerful ways. And this is a very powerful thing that we can use because this isn't just some random superpower. This is something that is being shown in studies, in research-driven studies, that we can change so many different aspects of our psyche, our ability to manage stress, our immune system, our metabolism, our resistance to disease can all be increased exponentially when we incorporate this ability. So the first thing that we want to do when we're engaging with the Wim Hof method is, prior to doing any type of cold technique, like the ice bath or the cold shower, we want to start off with the breathing. And so what he recommends that we do is that we start to breathe deeply inwardly and then out, in and then out, without breaks in between your inhalation and exhalation. You want to make sure that, number one, these are full deep breaths, but then also is we want to make sure that we're not breathing with our chest. Because breathing with our chest is something that we typically do innately, but in actuality, that's not the best form of breathing because it activates our sympathetic nervous system, which is attributed to the fight or flight feeling that we get when we're in danger or we feel like we're in danger. What we want to do instead is we want to breathe with our diaphragm, and you want to see your stomach expand. That's how you can know you're breathing with your diaphragm. You can even put your hands on your stomach and just feel it exhale and inhale. Okay, so now we're going to do this for a period of a minute, okay? Whether you want to pause the video and see how this is manifesting for you personally, if you don't want to go the full minute or you want to adjust it however is necessary, that's fine. Or you can just follow me. And so let's start. We're going to start off with that full breath. And as you breathe, notice the sensations within your body. Notice any type of tingling or tension releasing that you may experience. Everything is okay. Whatever is happening, just observe it. Don't find the need to engage with it, whether it's a sensation or a thought or a feeling. It's okay. It doesn't have to go away. Just let it be. And to give your mind a job, just let it focus on your breath. At this point of the breathing technique, you might start to experience tingling or a heating of your hands and your feet, particularly because those are places with a higher level of blood circulation, so they're more likely to express sensations. That's a good sign. It means you're on your way. We're doing it. And then from that exhale, breathe in one more time. Awesome, guys. So I typically do 3 rounds of this prior to jumping into my cold water, whether I'm doing the shower or the ice bath. So, let's hit that ice bath.
Oh, fucking balls.